Hi, my name is Michael, head of the customer service department at Decibel Hearing Aids, and today I'll be unboxing the S1 rechargeable behind the ear hearing aid. And today I'll just be going over everything inside of it, the hearing aids themselves, any sort of accessories, so let's just get right into it. And we see when we first open it up, we have the S1 user manual. Now anything that you see in this video will be detailed in this pamphlet right here. Now, you have your two hearing aids and the accessory box. Inside of the accessory box, we have the two micro USB cords and a cleaning device with a little brush on the end. That way you can wipe away any excess earwax or any sort of obstruction from the microphone of your hearing aid. Now, for the sake of this video, I'll only be going over one box because each box holds identical things. So when we open it up, we see that we have 4 silicone plastic tips, each one of different sizes to fit any specific ear canal, and the S1 hearing aid itself. That's all that's included in the S1 unboxing video. My name is Michael, and I hope you enjoy your S1. Thank you.